Today I bring you a fob from a Citroen C1 and the button is broken on the top and we will replace the button to a new one. Let's then test the existing button with a multimeter on continuity, and when we press the button it should beep. As you can see, it is working. Let's just check if the other button is not continuously pressed, which is not, so if it had a button it would work anyway. Let's try to find some shorts on the board. If there are some, we just use one plane for ground, and if they beep on both sides we have a short. If it's only one side, it's good. So let's apply the flux to remove the old button. With the iron at around 300 degrees Celsius, we will then melt the solder on each of the sides and pull the button up until we remove it. With the button removed, let's then place our new button, which is a bit different, but the point of interest here is that the button has only 2 contacts, because there are some on the market with 4 contacts, so make sure on this model to put one with 2 contacts. To solder the button in place, we will place it where it needs to be. It doesn't matter the direction because it's the same. And then we apply heat with the soldering iron on the pins on each of the sides until it's completely soldered in place. With that done, we do a clean with isopropyl alcohol on both sides of the fob. We will now verify that the button is working. So we have voltage drops when we press the button, so everything is working as it should, on this one at least. Same thing on this one, so should be working. Let's then do the continuity mode, which is working as well. And this one is also working. So let's place the battery back. It is measuring around 3.4 volts, which is brand new, and we will then test it now. Unfortunately, there is no LED, so we can only know if it's working when we have it next to the car. So we'll do that when the owner picks it up. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video, and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.